Barbie Forteza is having a great time in Chicago. On TikTok, the Kapuso primetime princess uploaded a video of herself in the city, all smiles as she walked beside a tree. "Just trust me. You'll be fine," she wrote in the caption with a brown heart emoji. "So happy for you," David Licauco commented. Barbie Forteza was also reunited with her sister, Gabrielle Virneza. And they got to dress up as Monsters Incorporation characters for Halloween. She currently stars in Pulang Araw with David Licauco, Sanya Lopez, and Alden Richards. The series are weeknights on GMA Prime at 8 p.m. after 24 hours. It is also streaming on Netflix.